Today we're going to take a detox bath, which I really need. So this is great to take out all the toxins from your body, and you need to make sure that you hydrate right afterwards, because you might feel a little sluggish afterwards after all those toxins come out of your body. So get at least 2 cups of water ready to drink right after this. So first we're going to put in 2 cups of Epsom salts. This is the kind I got, eucalyptus, but it could be any kind that you want. So you want 2 cups of this. Pour it right in. Let's see how it looks inside the water. Okay, let that dissolve right in there. That's going to draw out the toxins from your body and relieve aches and pains. So 2 cups of that. Then you want to put in a cup of apple cider vinegar. This is going to soothe and soften dry, itchy skin while balancing and neutralizing the body's pH. Okay, so a cup of that. Make sure your cats don't go in there, it's not good for them. Okay, and then that's going to mix around too. And then you want to put in some bentonite clay. That's really the secret ingredient that most detox baths don't have. So this is a special bentonite clay from Wyoming, and I got this from Volcanic Secrets Within. So you really want to put like a cup in there, but I only put in a little bit because this is just for like, you know, example purposes. So I'm just going to put a little bit in there, but you want to make sure, you know, that mixes in there in the water. So see how that looks? You might want to zoom in there and everything, but like that's going to be all mixed into the water, okay? Alright. So then we're going to put some essential oil. So you can pick whichever one you want. So you're going to put half a cup of bentonite clay in there, and that's going to stimulate the lymphatic system to deeply cleanse the body's largest breathing organ, which is the skin. Then you put 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. I'm going to use lavender, and that's perfect for detox and to soothe your aching muscles. So here we go. Oh, drops of your essential oil. That smells amazing. Okay, so that's going to go right in there. So you don't have to do that, but I like the extra touch. So then just make sure you mix that right in, and then soak for 20 minutes, and then drink a couple glasses of water, and make sure you do this right before you go to bed because you're going to feel super tired, but it's totally worth it to do it at least once a week, maybe once a month. But yeah, I'm ready to roll. Hope you liked it.